viewers, thank you for coming to my channel. You can actually lift and change your face just by doing this massage daily. This is really exciting because you can do this at home without spending any money. Do the lymphatic massage to clear out this area. This is important before we do the face massage so that the fluid in the upper area has somewhere to go when we massage. I have applied cleansing oil called Insalderm. I have the link down below. When you sign up as a customer, you get a 5% rebate for every item you purchase. Lift and stimulate here. This movement will lift not only the cheekbone area, but it also helps with eyelids and under eye bags. You will love the result. This is amazingly effective in lifting around the eyes and discharging waste that is needed. Do this regularly to prevent our skin from aging quickly. Lift towards the hairline. Take before and after photos. In a few days, you'll see an amazing difference. Apply more oil if you feel it is necessary. The fingers should not tug on the skin. things fast in order to improve the skin elasticity. Please support me by liking and subscribing to my channel so that I can make more videos like this one. Fill your cheeks with oxygen, and then we're going to breathe through the nose as we're going to push on your cheeks. Press your fingers against your inflated cheeks and keep your lips firmly together. Don't let air leak out. Stimulate this area to prepare for the next movement. Prevent this bone from sagging, which may cause laugh lines and double chins, among others. It's easier when you support it with the other hand. Here, the temporalis muscle and the thin muscle are connecting. The cheek muscles are connected by the corners of the mouth. Massage here to lift the cheek. This is so effective. Using the knuckles to massage the lower cheek muscles. Massaging the temple not only lifts facial skin, but doing it regularly relieves headaches, boosts memory, lowers blood pressure, reduces stress, and even promotes hair growth. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!